Quick video to show you how the bungee is arranged on a Concept 2 rower. So the first thing to do is where your chain is attached to this bracket, that bracket goes on the central position of your bungee. So just loop your bungee through the bracket there and make sure it's roughly in the center position. That will then leave you with two legs of the bungee. The one leg, you can see, goes over the pulley wheel, and then it goes all the way down to the back, underneath the little sprocket wheel there, because obviously you don't want that fouling, up over the top wheel, and then all the way back, and then it ties off again onto the well, it's not on the same bracket, it's on one of these little clips, and the little clips go onto the axle which goes through these end pulleys here. This is the back end of the machine, or where the feet go. And the other leg obviously goes, instead of going over this pulley, it goes down underneath and then over the top of this pulley, all the way to the top, over your sprocket axle, so as it doesn't foul, underneath the end wheel, and then back, and it goes to another clip, same sort of style of clip, and the clip clips underneath the axle. So the two clips are at the same axle. Your bracket where the chain terminates is just in the center, and the only tricky bit is you've just got to put the bungee there in its natural position. Obviously, if you miswire it or misthread it, you could put it underneath, but it's not going to look wrong. If you put it over the top, it looks right, and then it follows the bottom all the way to the end, back up and over, and then terminates here where the green thing is, and it's the opposite on the other side. So there you go, that's how you do a Concept 2 row. When you look at it like this, it should all look neat and tidy. You shouldn't have any bungees crossing. It should all look nice and straight and parallel, nothing rubbing. It should all be in free space, all your axles are nice and clear. And if it looks like that, then you know you've done it right.